Hello everyone, a very good morning to you all. Welcome back to this morning walk. This very moment I am here at this sacred forest, Laukantang, and I am very happy to get this opportunity to come here this morning. When I stand here on top of this tower, I feel like I am being carried to different countries. Wow, this is awesome. We could see everything everywhere from here. Wow, what a beautiful place. What a beautiful nature it is. It's a lovely and a very exciting forest. If you have the opportunity to come here, you would just say that everything is awesome. I'm here at this tower, on top of this tower, and when I look around, I see all these beautiful villages, beautiful forests here. Wow, I don't know. I always love being with nature. The reason behind is that it inspired me a lot. Let this beautiful morning inspire you and make you think better and better. Especially when it comes to a positive way of thinking, you should always see the beauties of nature, see the beauties that have in each and every living things. Care for them, care for every person that we are going to meet today, especially our morality. We need to respect each other. This is the message of this morning. Let us love one another and care for everyone. Okay, then, everyone, good morning again and have a nice day.